Welcome back, students. In the last class, we have gone through the concept of prime factorization and to find out whether the given number is a perfect cube or not by the method of prime factorization. Now, what we have to learn, this video will learn the concept of cube roots. Finding cube root is just the inverse operation. Like we studied in square roots, that square is the inverse function of square root. Same is the cube is inverse function of cube root. If cube of 3 is 27, then cube root of 27 is 3. I have mentioned here the symbol of cube root. It is just writing 3 in addition to the symbol of square root. Look at this symbol carefully and have a clear picture in your mind to differentiate between the symbol of square root and cube root. So now let us discuss that how to find out cube root. The first method is prime factorization method. The basic most important method of finding cube roots, that is prime factorization method. In this method, what we have to do is we have to make the prime factors of the given number, starting with the least prime number, and after listing down all the prime factors, we have to make the pair of 3's howsoever is possible. Then replace this pair by the single digit. Then after that you need to multiply these single digits and find out the cube root of given number. Now I am going to explain you this method with the help of an example so that it is more clear to you. Like we have to find out the cube root of 15625 15,625 by prime factorization method. What we did, we started dividing 15,625 by 5 and we found that the prime factors appear in the group of 6 5s, like 5 into 5 into 5 will make one group. Then 5 into 5 into 5 will make another group. Now the next step was replacing this group by single digit. So I replace this group of 5 by 5 only and this group of 5 by again 5. So cube root of 15625 is 5 into 5, 25. This was your method of prime factorization that you need to apply in the given assignment, and you have to try these questions given. Now go through these questions, find out the cube roots of the following numbers. I hope the concept of cubes and cube roots along with the method of prime factorization is clear to all of you.